Oh, damn. Oh.
Huh?
That was tough.
Yeah. I didn't know it was that bad. Lifted in gear.
I might need to get gas.
For sure. You want to go to Shell then?
Let me check real quick.
I can hear my bike in your thing.
Yeah, let's go hit Shell and then.
Alright.
Or Speedway, whichever one's closer.
Speedway? Shell's by my house.
Oh, whichever. I'll follow you.
Damn, AJ.
For sure. Feels good.
Yeah, it's not bad out. My eye is fucking watering though. This guy is fucking slow.
Yeah, you better pass him?
What? I'm going this way.
Oh.
Speedway is this way.
Oh, I thought we were gonna hit Shell because we're going this way.
Oh yeah, huh? Too late now.
Fuck it. What the f...
Why am I backfiring so much? I don't know which way to go in from here.
Oh. I'm gonna just go through here.
Oh, you're gonna go?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go through this one. So stupid, dude. Even with my bike, I have to watch out. It's fucking dumb.
You need gas too?
No, I'm good. Hey, another cool car.
Booming?
Yeah. I need a real bike, dude.
Same.
What the fuck you mean?
A bigger one. I didn't realize how loud my bike was until I started it in front of the house.
In front of your house?
In front of their house.
Oh yeah. Hold on. Need to fix my helmet. Should be good. Oh. There's cars. This guy should have just let us go.
Yeah. We should have pulled out from somewhere else.
Yeah, probably.
At least this guy's letting us go.
Yeah.
Screen. The sun is bright.
Yeah, it's too fucking bright. It's hard as fuck to see.
Hella.
Am I clear on my left?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm married.
You ready to split?
No, fuck no. I'm pussy. I saw your video though. Bro, I showed Isabella, the guy who almost hit y'all. She's
Yeah.
like, yo, what the fuck?
Yeah,
It was
dude.
crazy.
He was going too fast, dude.
Hella. Oh, damn. What the fuck is this? Damn, we should have stayed in that lane.
You wanna? Oh, never mind.
Nah, too late.
Dude, burn that fool.
I'm not gonna do that. I don't know how.
Yeah, it's fucking hot.
Do I just like let it run it first?
Nah, don't do it here.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit this car.
Yeah. Damn, fool.
Bro, I want a bigger bike, man. But I really like this bike too. It's fun.
I was thinking about that the other day, like, cause I hella want a Harley,
Yeah.
but I feel like I'm gonna just keep this one.
Your bike is big. It does the job.
Yeah.
There's hella old cars out today, but then it's Sunday.
Yeah, it's Sunday, that's why.
Oh shit, my ass.
Chopper.
It's so fucking slow. Hey, you little bitch.
Bro, let's split.
Hell no. I'm scared. Did you not see that Alpha right now? I'm good.
But all these cars are stopped now.
It's okay. Come on. And every time we got that cup, man, shot. Oh, uh-oh.
Are you gonna try to wheelie when we get there?
Maybe, yeah. I need new side mirrors. Really, my eyes, my nose, like everything's just like leaking. Go, go, go.
It's hella bright.
Yeah, this shit sucks.
Hey.
Hurry up, man.
Pull up. Oh, I'm on the other way. Oh, never mind.
Yeah. We're turning left at this light.
Alright.
Hey. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Always.
I think I am. Oh, dude, I'm leaking, bro. This is annoying. I have allergies right now.
Damn. Yeah, we haven't mobbed in a while.
Yeah, it's been a minute. We only ever did it that one time.
Yeah.
This is big, dude. We're hella cool.
Me and Justin rode here the other day.
Wait, why?
We didn't know where to go, and then we just ended up taking pictures in front of the Honda dealership.
Oh, yeah, huh?
And then we went to the lake after.
Which, like,
Otai?
well, that's hella far.
Yeah. We were gonna take the freeway, and then we found out there was traffic, so we just took side streets.
That makes sense. I'm so scared of potholes.
Same, dude.
One bad one and you're done.
Yeah.
At least with your fixie, it's hella easier to dodge it.
Hella skinnier tires.
Yeah. Well, cop.
Damn, it got way colder over here.
Yeah, it's hella cool.
Run it. Just
we go?
kidding. No, it's gonna turn green right now.
I can't wait to take my fucking helmet off.
To
This
wipe
is uncomfortable.
when your nose is dripping.
Yeah. Go. My bad.
You're good.
Oh, that was hella red lightning.
Yes, sir.
Oh, this fucking dickhead.
Damn, it's loud in here.
Yes. Yeah.
It stinks.
You want to take the lead?
No.
Okay. I mean, should we go left? Because last time it was closed.
We could turn right here.
Yeah.
Hopefully it turns green.
I mean, we can just go.
That's true.
Up.
Oh shit.
You good?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. This is so stupid. So many speed bumps. Whee!
Derecho.
You said what?
Nothing. I said derecho.
Derecho. Not gonna stop.
Alright. What's it called behind us?
You're dumb. Yeah, let's go in the water.
Yeah.
I wanna go on the pier, but I don't wanna get stuck.
Yeah, I don't want to accidentally drop the bike.
Yeah, lose it. I don't know what they're doing. We should call Justin.
Sure, call him. I'll call him after we park.
Sure. Hey, fuck it, let's do it. Let's go on the pier.
What the fuck? That's why it's acting weird.
Why?
My cable is pulling.
Oh, what the heck?
So like he clutches in, so I can't go anywhere. Weird.
Don't turn my bike off. Should I do it? Get a picture over there?
On the pier?
Yeah.